A first-class devotee is in constant communion with Krishna. All the scriptures are revealed to him. He may not be a great scholar as such. He may not have studied the scriptures, but the scriptures have automatically become revealed to him. There are many devotees who are apparently not very learned. There are even some devotees who are not even literate, but they are exalted devotees, pure devotees, and all the scriptures. Because this can become exemplified in this way. So, when the sun comes up, in the light of the sun, you see the sun, you see yourself, and you see everything else. Then everything becomes known to you. So similarly, when the sun like Krishna appears in your heart, in that light of Krishna consciousness, you will not only see Krishna, you will see yourself and you will see everyone. Everything then will be known to you. The scripture actually is making that point. Knowing him, everything becomes known. Yasmin vijñāte sarvam vijñatam bhavati. Knowing him, everything becomes known. So it's like the rising of the sun. So similarly, we have to understand that the knowledge of a devotee, of a pure devotee, is not an academic knowledge. It is not a kind of knowledge that has been acquired by cultivation of studies. It is a knowledge that is revealed in his heart. It's there. He knows.